Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. Today I'm going to be talking to you about being an IRS appellate specialist, and you have the need to go to IRS appeals. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. You can see me in a coat and tie and all my national broadcast at 777irs.com. I do these videos for 3 reasons: to educate you, to give you insider information about the Internal Revenue Service when I can, and I try to give you enough information to give you, make you, and give you an informed decision on this. My office is across the street. I just shoot my YouTubes here at home right off my kitchen. It's kind of comfortable for me, and all you want my head, you don't want my suit or a fancy a backdrop here. So let me tell you, a lot of people have a collection case or they have an audit case, and you want to go to appeals, and you don't sometimes think that your accountant is the right person really to go to the next step. A lot of times you find this out when you're going through your audit or your collection process, and you're saying, oh my God, you know, this person really isn't really right for me. I get a lot of these calls on this telephone right here. They'll say, hey, Mike, Mr. Sullivan, I don't think this accountant is right for me. He said maybe I should find somewhere else, or I just got a gut feeling that they're not the right person. Well, you know, first of all, I'm not here to take any work away from anyone. Each one of you have got to make a decision what your gut is about the person that you have, in fact, representing you. If you have worked at Internal Revenue Service and you worked in the appellate function of Internal Revenue Service, by far, let's face it, who else is going to give you the best representation? We have on our staff Peter Salinger, who worked in the collection appellate division, and we have Herb Canner, who worked in the audit IRS appeals division. You know, when you take these cases forward, it's not a matter of warm, fuzzy feelings. It's a matter of, do you have the documentation, in fact, to go ahead and support your decision? It's not a matter of, well, I think I'm right. Right now, at this point in time, once IRS has issued you a report or the collection division is moving forward, they're going forward based on a fact. They're going forward on what documents, in fact, you have. And a lot of times you need someone just to come in and say, yeah, you got a case here, or you don't have a case here. Cut your losses, pay your tax, or let's go forward. So if you are really looking truly for an IRS appellate specialist or an IRS collection appeal specialist, you can go ahead and call our office, because we do have those on staff. We just don't take any case for the case of taking a case. We don't do that. We have to go ahead at the end of the day and be able to say, yes, here's where we can move forward on your case. Remember, going to appeals isn't about warm or fuzzy. It's about documentation, history, and documentation. If you've found out the truth, give me a subscription. You're welcome to ask me any question you want. Thank you very much today for listening.